Hello kababayan, kumusta? Ito po ay si Arjo Carino Turner, based dito sa Atlanta, Georgia, USA. Pero ako po ay originally from South Cotabato, Lumulok specifically, and also General Santos City and Sarangani Province ng South Central Mindanao. Ako po yung founder and CEO ng ACT International Consulting LLC, which is an educational consulting and with a forte on project management, program management, portfolio management, sharing knowledge across all of this, and also their intersection, especially on leadership and also policies, governance, and all of those kinds of things. So I have committed to share some concepts, especially on projects and project management moving forward. And this is just going to be a short video of explaining this part of the concept. So let's just start with project. Pag tayo ba ay nagsasabi na meron tayong project, ano ba yung naiisip natin when we are talking about a project? So specifically, by definition, according to the Project Management Institute, ang isang proyekto ay isang temporary endeavor undertaken to create unique product, service, or result. I'm sure you have seen or as a result of projects around you, even yung bahay that you are staying in, the chair that na inuupuan ninyo, almost everything that you see around you that's already done is a product of project and or project management. So temporary dahil meron siyang defined start date at saka end date. Hindi siya, wala itong forever. So ang project ay walang forever. Temporary siya. Unique product, service, or result, ito yung kaniyang mga output. They can be similar but not necessarily like being never identical to any other project na ginagawa mo before kasi nagkakaiba yung iyong mga stakeholders and nagkakaiba rin yung kanilang outcome and or specific deliverable na either it can be tangible or intangible, nahawakan, yung hindi nahawakan, nakikita, and some are, benign because of the impact that you are able to make with it. Of course, lahat ng project, limitado yung resources. How you will manage the limitation doon sa resources na yon matters a lot in your own project management. So with this concept, sa pananaw mo, have you been part of a project? Have you created a project yourself? Have you done anything that defines what a project is? It would be interesting to know, and then you just feel free to share your thoughts and hope that when you find something around you and or things that you do, you can identify that what you are doing or what you are seeing or what you are experiencing, they are all product ng isang project. So you can identify as many examples as you want. And if you like, follow me on ACT International Consulting LLC sa aking Facebook, and you can also send me an email. So I do trainings for different companies, mostly mga companies na meron na silang course structure. I just deliver those for their clients. And sa akin naman, I specifically craft trainings on project and project management, portfolio management, agile, especially specific to the needs ng mga organization. So if you find that I might be of help and add value to your organization for these training needs, please feel free to reach out at ACT International Consulting LLC, and I would be happy to help you and serve your organization. So maraming salamat po and hope to see you again.